Hello geographers, and welcome to your how-to video on how to make a pie chart like this one here, or a pie graph, using a program I like to use called Vislo. So the set of data I'm going to be using is the same as last time for my bar graph. So I'm going to be using my pedestrian tally at Calcium Place here in South Bank here in Brisbane. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in using my Microsoft details. Then I'm just going to click on my name. Alright, then I'm going to click on Create, up on the top here, and I need to find my pie chart. Alright, then I click on Create Pie Chart, and this will take me to the chart. So I need my heading. So this is types of people who used Calcium Place at South Bank. And then we might have here between, I'll work on my spelling, 11:20 to 11:40. Very good. Now I did figure 1 for my bar graph down here, so I'm going to go figure 2, pie chart, I can say pie graph, showing the percentages of the types of people who use South Bank. So a pie chart or a pie graph is different to a bar graph because it actually shows the percentage. So with the pie chart, and the reason I like to use Vislo for it is that if you click on a segment of the pie and then you click on settings, it's automatically going to calculate that percentage for you. So you just have to put in the value and it will automatically calculate the percentage for you. So it's very handy for that reason too. So let's start putting in the data. Again, you can change the color and everything. You can actually change the actual layout or type of pie graph you're going to use. Another thing too you can click on is align labels, and that'll come in handy a little bit later too. So the first thing I'm going to do is start inputting my data. So I'm going to do single males 31, and I'll show you how it works. So we'll get rid of Paula. We don't know who Paula is. Single males. Put in 31. And see how that starts changing automatically? Let's get rid of Walter. I do not know who Walter is. Then we'll go single females. There was 26 of them, according to my data that I've collected here. Next we've got young couples at 11. So I'll get rid of Peter. Young couples. 11. Very good. Now, we've run out of segments. So all we do is right click, and then we click on Add Slice, and we've got a new slice to our pie. The next one we have is children in strollers. There was 5 of them, so I'll put in the value. Children in strollers. So same again. Right click, Add Slice. Next one is children with parents. So then we'll go the 10 of those that were there during the time that I was looking. Again, right click, Add Slice. New type of person. Elderly couple is the next one from memory. Elderly couple, and let's see how good I am. I'm pretty sure it was 7. There we go, elderly couple, 7. Did I do children with parents? I think I did. Oh no, I didn't. Dang. Add slice, children with parents. Children with parents was 10. Very good. You can see the names are starting to bunch, but we'll sort that out in a second. Add slice for our next one. So we've done elderly couples. We want elderly single male, and there were 4 of those. 4 of them, I should say. Same thing, elderly single female, 4 of them. So see how the names are starting to bunch here. So I'm going to go to Document. I'm actually going to go to Layout Settings, sorry. Scroll down and pick Align Labels, and that's just going to automatically put them out there for me, which is very handy. Alright, our new slice is the teenagers are up next. How can we forget the teenagers, hey? Nine teenagers. All right, next. Wheelchair users. Still a significant piece of data, even though I didn't see any on the day. I might want to put in my geography report that maybe there needs to be some more infrastructure for people who need access, who need wheelchair access. Next one is bicycles. And there was quite a few bicycles. There was 18 because we were down on the Brisbane River. Well, there's lots of them. So you can see it being 13% of the people I've counted so far were riding a bike. The next one is scooters. There are even more scooters. There were 24 scooters. So you can see it now, that's come up. Quite a significant piece of data. Next one, we've got the van. There was one van. Next one we've got was the 3 segways. 3 people on a segway. Next we've got is the skateboard. There was 1 person on a skateboard. And then ad slice. And we had 2 policemen walk past as well. So that concludes our data. So I've just turned that data into a pie chart. Now, it's important that you look at the story that your data tells you. So my story is that the most prominent type of people who use couching place at South Bank are single males with 19%. But also conclude that I've got 0 for people using wheelchair or disability scooter. So there might not be any wheelchair access for them. My next most prominent was single females and scooters. So if I'm doing a report on how I can improve South Bank, I would be looking at the types of people, the main types of people who use it and ways that I can improve it for them. To put this in my assignment, of course, I would go export and share, and I would download it as an image and then put it in my assessment task. And that is how you make a pie chart, guys. So thank you for watching. Make sure you go ahead and watch all the videos on how to make the different types of charts for your assignment. And I will see you guys next time.